This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8261 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 30 feet 5 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, skylight, air conditioning, LP detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, microwave, water heater, stovetop burner, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8261 BHS is 6,142 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.